I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
It felt like emerging markets, developing economies' impact on Bitcoin had a big year. So a couple examples of that were Taro being announced and launching in testnet. And what Taro is, we know, and I've talked about with Safe before actually this year on his podcast, is the ability for stablecoins to transact peer-to-peer on Lightning Network. That was something influenced by Lightning adoption in emerging markets. We also saw very recently Bitcoin mining's ability to bring energy to emerging markets where folks are living off the grid. That was our last investment, Stillmark's last investment of the year, was in a company called Gridless, which is bringing electricity to households off the grid by allowing mining proof of work to act as an anchor tenant for new energy generation to get those projects funded. So that's a bit about the positive. Safe and Mark both already mentioned that some of Bitcoin's long-term lessons, like self-custody, also the value of proof of reserve, and even the match of proof of reserve with self-custody, how that can allow people to be their own bank, but also to sort of test their custodians. We had some negative lessons this year too, and so I'll extend upon that from what Safe said and sort of like add a sharp point to it. We learned that the smartest guys in the room were not the smartest guys in the room this year, right? So we were told, Bitcoiners were told, and people in crypto were told, these three AC guys, they're super sharp. They know what's up. Sam Bankman-Fried was the smartest guy in the room. The lead investor at Sequoia was on, multiple podcasts claiming that his clock speed was just faster than everyone else's. And I suppose faster than founders in Bitcoin, because Sequoia is not backing those founders. But what we learned this year, that in fact, it was more about maybe rhetoric on the crypto side and sort of like slick words rather than really sharp, thoughtful, well-researched ideas. And so I think that's a reminder it's always good to get, is that it's not just sort of the surface level rhetoric that's important, but doing your own research and finding what's behind it, digging deeper. And Bitcoiners are good at that and benefited this year from that.